Hello friends, this is Bright here. In this video, I am going to explain the recursive function using C programming language. So I am going to show a very simple program which illustrates the control flow in recursive function. We have a function int main where the first line in main is fun of 1. So this fun is a user defined function I created like this. Let us see the body of function fun. We can see that it checks a condition if I less than 3, then print fun the value of I followed by increment I, then few more steps. And we can see that there is a flow control. So when the main is called, the first line is call the fun. That is the first control flow. Now it checks 1 less than 3, display fun 1. So this is the output now. Then increment the value of I becomes 2, then fun of 2. So call the same function, that is called recursive function. A function calls itself. Now for a better understanding, I am reproducing the fun like this with the same content. And now the I value is 2. So the control flow can be visualized like this. This is by fun of 2. Now I value is 2. 2 is less than 3. Now fun 2 will be printed. Then increment I becomes 3. Now fun of 3. Call the same function, right? So I'm just reproducing fun with the same body content. And now we can see a control flow like this. It goes to here, and now this is done by the call fun of 3. The value of I is now 3. Now 3 less than 3. Condition is false. Now the if body will not be executed. Now after the if or outside the if, there is nothing more to be executed. It means it is done. So what happens? The control comes back to the place from where fun of 3 is called. This is very important. Now there is one more statement to be executed. So, and here the I value is 3. So over 3. After printing over 3, now nothing more to be executed here. So what happens? The control goes back to the place from where this fun 2 is called. So this is the place from where it is called. So once it is completed, it returns to the place from where fun 2 is called. Now here the value of I is 2. The remaining statement is over 2. You can see the output now, over 2. So now the entire thing in this fun is over. Then the control goes back to the place from where this function is called, that is fun of 1. Then return 0, it exits. So this is the complete flow of control in this recursive function. Hope that you understand it. Thank you for watching this video.